Hey, this is Scott from DTEN. We're at InfoComm 2026, and we are happy to announce we have a brand new product for the BYOD, BYOM space. This is the DTEN Texo bar. It has full all-in-one AV capabilities. It has 3 cameras, which activates our inclusive view automatic camera, so you can bring multiple people into a gallery or a composite view situation. It's fully outfitted with forward-facing speakers. It's got multiple microphones in there, and what this really does is allow you to take those smaller spaces, those flexible spaces where you might not be committed to platform, and still bring your own device, bring your own meeting, with the same incredible audio and video quality and AI processing that you get with all the DTEN products. It's available now for those smaller spaces. You can find out more at dten.com.